Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hey Anna, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hey Anna, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from Warsaw. Are you here on vacation too?
Yes, I'm staying here for a week.
I'm from Warsaw. Are you here on vacation too?
Yes, I'm staying here for a week.
Oh, nice. Do you like it so far?
Yeah, it's beautiful. The sea is amazing.
Oh, nice. Do you like it so far?
Yeah, it's beautiful. The sea is amazing.
I know, right? I love coming here in summer. Do you speak Polish?
A little bit, but I need more practice.
I know, right? I love coming here in summer. Do you speak Polish?
A little bit, but I need more practice.
No worries, I can help you.
That would be awesome.
No worries, I can help you.
That would be awesome.
Do you like traveling?
Oh, I love it. Seeing new places is exciting.
Do you like traveling?
Oh, I love it. Seeing new places is exciting.
Same here. What's your favorite place?
Probably Paris. It's amazing.
Same here. What's your favorite place?
Probably Paris. It's amazing.
I've never been there. What do you like most?
The Eiffel Tower and the food.
I've never been there. What do you like most?
The Eiffel Tower and the food.
That sounds great. Do you like Polish food?
Yes, I tried pierogi once. So delicious.
That sounds great. Do you like Polish food?
Yes, I tried pierogi once. So delicious.
Ha ha ha. Everyone loves pierogi.
True. Do you like cooking?
Ha ha. Everyone loves pierogi.
True. Do you like cooking?
Sometimes, but I prefer eating.
Haha. Best hobby ever.
Sometimes, but I prefer eating.
Haha. Best hobby ever.
Are you hungry?
A little. Do you know a good place?
Are you hungry?
A little. Do you know a good place?
Yes. There's a great cafe nearby.
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
Yes. There's a great cafe nearby.
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
What do you want to drink?
I'll have a cappuccino. And you?
What do you want to drink?
I'll have a cappuccino. And you?
A tea for me. Maybe a cake too.
Good choice.
A tea for me. Maybe a cake too.
Good choice.
Excuse me. Can we order, please?
Sure, what would you like?
Excuse me. Can we order, please?
Sure, what would you like?
A tea and a slice of cake, please.
And a cappuccino for me.
A tea and a slice of cake, please.
And a cappuccino for me. That cafe was amazing.
Yeah, the coffee was perfect.
That cafe was amazing.
Yeah, the coffee was perfect.
I had a great time today.
Me too. I'm really glad we met.
I had a great time today.
Me too. I'm really glad we met.
Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Next Saturday?
Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Next Saturday?
Sounds great. Let's stay in touch.
Absolutely. See you soon.
Sounds great. Let's stay in touch.
Absolutely. See you soon.